Which year biomedical waste management and handling rules were first notified in India? Option A in 1995, option B in 1998, option C in 2000, option D 2005. The correct answer is option B 1998. Biomedical waste rules were notified in 1998 under the Environment Protection Act 1986. In 1998, biomedical waste rules were notified under the Environmental Protection Act 1986. The latest amendment of biomedical waste management rules was in which year? Option A in 2016, option B 2018, option C 2019, option D 2020. The correct answer is option C 2019. Biomedical waste rules were revised in 2016 with further amendments in 2018 and 19. Biomedical rules were revised in 2016 with further amendments. Biomedical waste rules are framed under which act? Option A Indian Penal Code, option B Environment Protection Act 1986, option C Drugs and Cosmetics Act, option D Public Health Act. The correct answer is option B Environment Protection Act 1986. Biomedical rules derive authority from the Environment Protection Act. Approximate biomedical waste generation per hospital bed per day in India is option A 0.1 to 0.5 kg, option B 1 to 2 kg, option C 3 to 5 kgs, option D 5 to 10 kgs. The correct answer is option A 0.1 to 0.5 kgs. India hospitals generate 0.1 to 0.5 kg per bed per day, lower than developed countries. Yellow bag is used for option A human anatomical waste, option B plastic syringes, option C sharps, option D glasswares, option A. Correct answer is option A human anatomical waste. Yellow bag is for human or animal anatomical waste, solid waste and expired medicines. Red bag is used for option A sharps, option B recyclable contaminated plastic, option C glassware, option D radioactive waste. The correct answer is option B recyclable contaminated plastics. Red bag holds IV sets, syringes without needles, catheters, tubing. Red bag hold IV sets, syringes without needles and catheters and tubing. White transculent puncture-proof container is used for option A expired drugs, option B plastic syringes, option C sharps like needles and scalpels, option D glass bottles. The correct answer is option C sharps like needles and scalpels. White container is puncture-proof and leak-proof used for sharps. White container is used for sharps like needles and scalpels. Blue container is used for option A metallic implants and glassware, option B plastics, option C sharps, option D pathological waste. The correct answer is option A metallic implants and glassware. Blue is used for glassware, valves and metallic implants. Blue container is used for glassware. Segregation of biomedical waste should be done at option A treatment facility, option B waste storage room, option C point of generation, option D laboratory. The correct answer is option C point of generation. Segregation must be done at the site of generation for safety. Segregation of biomedical waste should be done at point of generation for safety. Symbol used for biomedical waste is option A green cross, option B biohazard symbol, option C radioactive symbol, option D red triangle. The correct answer is option B biohazard symbol. Biohazard symbol is internationally recognized for infectious waste. Biohazard symbol is internationally recognized for infectious waste. Incineration is not suitable for option A human anatomical waste, option B expired drugs, option C chlorinated plastics, option D solid cotton. The correct answer is option C chlorinated plastics. Incineration of chlorinated plastic generates toxic gases like dioxins and furans. Incineration is not suitable for chlorinated plastics that generates toxic gases. Maximum time biomedical waste can be stored in healthcare facility before treatment. The correct answer is option B 24 hours. Maximum time biomedical waste can be stored in a healthcare facility before treatment. Option A 12 hours, option B 24 hours, option C 36 hours, option D 48 hours. The correct answer is option B 24 hours. Biomedical waste must be treated or disposed within 24 hours of generation. Cytotoxic drugs are disposed of in which bag? The correct answer is option A yellow. Cytotoxic drugs and chemical waste are discarded in yellow bags. Cytotoxic drugs are disposed of in which bag? The correct answer is option A yellow. Cytotoxic drugs and chemical waste are discarded in yellow bag. Which of the following is not considered biomedical waste? Option A solid cotton, option B kitchen waste, option C syringe, option D placenta. The correct answer is option B kitchen waste. Biomedical waste includes medical or clinical waste, not general waste like kitchen refuse. Biomedical waste includes medical or clinical waste, not general waste like kitchen refuse. Biomedical waste constitutes what percentage of total hospital waste? Option A 10 to 25%, option B 40 to 50%, option C 60 to 70%, option D 80 to 90%. The correct answer is option A 10 to 25%. Only 10 to 25% of hospital waste is hazardous biomedical waste, rest is general waste. The polluter pays principle is applied in option A biomedical waste rules, option B Consumer Protection Act, option C IPC 1860, option D Drugs Act. The correct answer is biomedical waste rules, option A. Generator of waste is responsible for safe disposal at their cost. The polluter pays. Sharps injury carries highest risk for transmission of option A HIV, option B hepatitis B, option C hepatitis C, option D tuberculosis. The correct answer is option B hepatitis B. Hepatitis B virus has highest transmissibility through shots 30% compared to hepatitis C virus 3% and HIV 0.3%. Which gas is produced by incineration of Chlorinated plastics. Option A, methane. Option B, dioxins or furans. Option C, carbon monoxide. Option D, sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is option B, dioxins and furans. Burning PVC produces dioxins and furans, highly toxic pollutants. Black bag is currently used for option A, cytotoxic drugs. Option B, non-hazardous household or general waste. Option C, shops. Option D, infected plastics. The correct answer is option B, non-hazardous household or general waste. Black bag is for discarded medicines except toxic and general waste. Autoclaving is used for biomedical waste because option A, it reduces size. Option B, it kills microorganisms. Option C, it converts waste into ash. Option D, it sterilizes glassware only. The correct answer is option B, it kills microorganisms. Autoclaving sterilizes infectious waste using steam under pressure. Autoclaving is used for biomedical waste because it kills microorganisms. The color code for microbiology laboratory cultures and stocks disposal is option A, yellow. Option B, red color. Option C, white color bin. Option D, blue color bin. The correct answer is option A, yellow. Microbiology waste cultures and specimens are disposed in yellow bags. The color code for microbiology laboratory culture and stocks disposal is yellow color bin or bags. Syringes with needles should be option A, throw in red bag. Option B, cut with hub cutter and needle discarded in white container. Option C, incinerated directly. Option D, mixed with general waste. The correct answer is option B, cut with hub cutter and needle discarded in white container. Needles goes in white container. Syringe without needle goes in red bag. Liquid biomedical waste, infected blood or fluids is disinfected using option A, 5% phenol. Option B, 1% hypochlorite. Option C, autoclaving. Option D, boiling. The correct answer is option B, 1% hypochlorite. Infectious liquids are treated with 1% sodium hypochlorite for 30 minutes. Infectious liquids are treated with 1% sodium hypochlorite for 30 minutes. The ideal temperature for incineration of biomedical waste is option A, 400 to 600 degrees Celsius. Option B, 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Option C, 200 to 300 degrees Celsius. Option D, 100 to 150 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option B, 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius. Incineration requires 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius for complete combustion. Incineration requires 800 to 1000 degrees Celsius for complete combustion. The most important step in biomedical waste management is option A, transportation. Option B, segregation. Option C, storage. Option D, incineration. The correct answer is option B, segregation. Segregation at source prevent mixing of hazardous and general waste. Segregation at source prevents mixing of hazardous and general waste. Biomedical Waste Management Rules 2016 applies to option A, government hospitals only. Option B, private hospitals only. Option C, all healthcare facilities. Option D, research institutions only. The correct answer is option A. Option C. All healthcare facilities. Biomedical waste management rules 2016 applies to all healthcare facilities. According to biomedical waste rules 2016, barcoding of waste bag is option A. Optional. Option B. Mandatory. Option C. Only for private hospitals. Option D. Only for incinerators. Correct answer is option B. Mandatory. Barcoding ensures traceability of waste until final disposal. Barcoding ensures traceability of waste until waste shops must be disinfected before disposal by option A. Boiling. Option B. Chemical treatment or autoclaving. Option C. Burning in open. Option C. Throwing in black bag. The correct answer is option B. Chemical treatment or autoclaving. Shops should be sterilized or disinfected before shredding or disposal. Shops should be sterilized or disinfected before shredding or disposal. Expired or discarded medicine fall under option A. Yellow bag. Option B. Red bag. Option C. Blue bag. Option D. White container. The correct answer is option A. Yellow bag. Expired drugs and cytotoxic drugs waste go in yellow bag. Expired or discarded medicines fall under yellow bag or yellow color bin. Occupier under biomedical waste rules refers to option A. Waste collector. Option B. Hospital administrator. Option C. Person who control healthcare facility. Option D. Government official. The correct answer is option C. Person who controls healthcare facility. Occupier is responsible for ensuring biomedical waste rules compliance. Occupier is responsible ensuring biomedical waste rule compliance. Which method is best for disposal of anatomical waste? Option A. Autoclaving. Option B. Incineration. Option C. Chemical disinfection. Option D. Shredding. The correct answer is option B. Incineration. The correct answer is option B. Incineration. Human or anatomical waste is best disposed by incineration. Disinfection by sodium hypochlorite acts by option A. Protein denaturation. Protein option B. Oxidation. Option C. pH change. Option D. Enzyme activation. The correct answer is option B. Oxidation. Hypochlorite oxidize microbial cell components and killing pathogens. Disinfection by sodium hypochlorite acts by oxidation. Biomedical waste rules are enforced by which authority? Option A. Indian Medical Council. Option B. Pollution Control Board. Option C. World Health Organization. Option C. ICMR. The correct answer is option B. Pollution Control Boards. State and central pollution control boards enforce biomedical waste rules. State and central pollution control boards enforce biomedical control rules. Mercury waste from broken thermometers is treated by option A. Burning. Option B. Incineration. Option C. Collected separately for recycling. Option D. Mixing in yellow bag. The correct answer is option C. Collected separately for recycling. Mercury is toxic. It should not be incinerated but recycled safely. Mercury is toxic. It should not be incinerated. Which bag is used for solid waste? Cotton, bandages, dressing. Option A. Yellow. Option B red. Option C blue. Option D white. The correct answer is option A yellow. Solid cotton or dressing with blood or body fluids go in yellow black. Solid cotton dressings with blood body fluids go in yellow bag. Radioactive waste is managed under option A BMW rules 2016, option B Atomic Energy Act, option C Public Health Act, option D IPC. The correct answer is option B Atomic Energy Act. Radioactive waste is regulated by Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Radioactive waste is managed under Atomic Energy Act. Sharps containers should be filled up to option A 100%, option B 75%, option C 50%, option D unlimited. The correct answer is option B 75%. Shops containers are closed and sent for disposal when 3 by 4th full. Shops containers are closed and sent for disposal when the universally accepted symbol for radiation hazard is option A red circle, option B black trefoil on yellow background, option C green triangle, option D biohazard symbol. The correct answer is option B black trefoil on yellow background. Trefoil symbol denotes radiation hazards. Trefoil symbol denotes radiation hazards. The liquid waste generated from labs is disinfected using option A sodium hypochlorite, option B autoclave, option C burning, option C incinerator. The correct answer is option A sodium hypochlorite. Lab liquids are treated with 1% sodium hypochlorite. Lab liquids are treated with 1% sodium hypochlorite. Which of the following is not recyclable? Option A IV tubing, option B glove, option C syringe body, option D human placenta. The correct answer is option D human placenta. Human tissues are incinerated, not recyclable. Human placenta is not recyclable. Biomedical waste is classified into how many categories under Biomedical Waste Rules 2016? Option A 4, option B 8, option C 10, option D 12. The correct answer is option A 4. 2016 rules reduces categories from 10 to 4 for simplicity. 2006 rules reduces categories from 10 to 4 for simplicity. Which category of biomedical waste includes microbiology and biotechnology waste? Option A yellow, option B red, option C blue, option D white. Option A yellow. Microbiology cultures fall under yellow category. Microbiology and biotechnology waste falls under yellow category. Option A is the correct answer. The hub cutter is used for option A cutting IV tubing, option B cutting needle hubs from syringes, option D destroying gloves, option D crushing glass bottles. The correct answer is option B cutting needle hubs from syringes. Hub cutter separates needles before disposal. Hub cutter separates needles before disposal. The safe distance of a biomedical incinerator for, from residential area is. The safe distance of a biomedical incinerator from residential areas. Option A 100 meters, option B 500 meters, option C 1 kilometer, option D 2 kilometer. The correct answer is option B 500 meters. Incinerators must be at least 500 meters away from residential areas. Incinerators must be at least 500 meters away from residential areas. Chemical disinfection is mainly used for option A shops, option B human tissues, option C liquid waste, option D glassware. The correct answer is option C liquid waste. Chemicals like hypochlorite are used for disinfecting liquids. Chemicals like hypochlorite are used for disinfecting liquids. Biomedical waste bags and containers should be replaced. Option A daily, option B when 50% full, option C when 70% full, option D when 100% full. The correct answer is option C when 70% full. Biomedical waste containers should be closed when 2 by 3rd filled to prevent overflow. Biomedical waste bags and containers should be replaced when 70% full. The biggest hazard of improper biomedical disposal is option A air pollution, option B soil pollution, option C transmission of infections, option D water lodging. The correct answer is transmission of infections. Major risk is spread of HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, etc. The biggest hazard of improper biomedical waste disposal is spread of infection. Needle stick injuries is most common in option A doctors, option B nurses, option C waste handlers, option D all the above. The correct answer is option D all the above. Anyone handling sharp is at risk. Waste handlers are especially vulnerable. The color of biomedical waste bag for discarded vaccines is option A yellow, option B red, option C blue, option D white. The correct answer is option A yellow. Expired or unused vaccines go in yellow bag. The color of biomedical waste bag. Which biomedical waste treatment method is eco-friendly and avoids air pollution? Which biomedical waste treatment method is eco-friendly and avoids air pollution? Option A incineration, option B autoclaving, option B open burning, option D chemical disinfection only. The correct answer is option B autoclaving. Autoclaving sterilizes without generating harmful gases. Autoclaving sterilizes without generating harmful gases. Biomedical waste must be transported within premises using. Biomedical waste must be transported within the premises using option A open baskets, option B closed labeled trolleys, option C plastic bags carried by hand, option D wheelbarrows without cover. The correct answer is option B closed labeled trolleys. Biomedical waste must be transported in covered trolleys without biohazard label. With biohazard label. Biomedical waste. Immunization related waste like used vials, syringes without needles are discarded in option A yellow bag, option B red bag, option C blue bag, option D white container. The correct answer is option B, red bag. Plastic syringes without needles and vaccines vials, non-glass, go in red bag. Immunization related waste like vials, syringes without needles are discarded in red color bag. Biomedical waste should never be disposed by option A, autoclaving, option B, deep burial in some rural areas, option C, open burning in hospital ad, option C, incineration. The correct answer is option C, open burning in hospital ad. Open burning is banned as it releases toxic fumes. Biomedical waste should never be disposed by open burning in hospital ad. The maximum period for which records of biomedical waste should be maintained by hospitals. The maximum period for which records of biomedical waste should be maintained by hospital. Option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, option D 5 years. The correct answer is option C 3 years. Hospitals must maintain biomedical waste records for 3 years. Hospital must maintain biomedical waste records for 3 years. Final disposal of ash from incinerators is done by. Final disposal of ash from incinerators is done by. Option A, reuse in construction. Option B, disposal in municipal landfill. Option C, flushing in drains. Option D, mixing with plastics. The correct answer is option B, disposal in municipal landfill. Incinerator ash must be safely landfilled. Incinerator ash must be safely. Biomedical waste rules mandate training of option A, doctors only. Option B, nurses only. Option C, all health workers handling biomedical waste. Option D, only waste handlers. The correct answer is all healthcare workers handling biomedical waste. Biomedical waste rules mandate training of all healthcare workers who handling biomedical waste. The symbol for biohazard has how many circles? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is option C 3. The biohazard symbol is made of three interlocking circular curves. The biomedical hazard symbol is made up of three interlocking circular curves. What is the recommended disinfectant for treating blood spills in hospital? Option A 70% alcohol, option B 1% sodium hypochlorite, option C 2% glutaraldehyde, option D boiling water. The correct answer is option B 1% sodium hypochlorite. Blood spills are disinfected with 1% hypochlorite solution. Blood spills are disinfected with 1% hypochlorite solution. Biomedical Waste Rules 2016 have reduced categories from option A 12 to 8, option B 10 to 4, option C 8 to 5, option D 15 to 6. The correct answer is option B 10 to 4. Categories were reduced to simplify segregation. Were reduced to simplify segregation. Infectious biomedical waste should be transported to treatment facility within option A 6 hours, option B 12 hours, option C 24 hours, option D 48 hours. Correct answer is option C 24 hours. Waste should not be stored beyond 24 hours. Infectious biomedical waste should not be stored beyond 24 hours. It should be transported to treatment facility. The safest method of biomedical waste disposal in small rural facilities without incinerator. Option A, deep burial. Option B, autoclaving. Option C, landfilling without treatment. Option D, open dumping. The correct answer is option A, deep burial. In remote areas, deep burial is permitted under guidelines. Safest method of biomedical waste disposal in small rural facilities without incinerator is deep burial. Which of the following does not require a biohazard label? Option A, yellow bag. Option B, red bag. Option C, blue bag. Option D, black bag. The correct answer is option D, black bag. General waste doesn't require biohazard labeling. General waste doesn't require biohazard labeling. Cytotoxic drug waste should be disposed of by option A, shredding. Option B, incineration at more than 1200 degrees Celsius. Option B, autoclaving. Option D, burial in hospital premises. The correct answer is option B, incineration at more than 1200 degrees Celsius. Cytotoxic drugs need high temperature incineration for safe disposal. Cytotoxic drugs need high temperature incineration for safe disposal. The full form of B&W in hospital context is option A, biological and medical waste. Option A, biomedical waste. Option C, biohazardous material waste. Option D, biomechanical waste. The correct answer is option B, biomedical waste. BMW stands on biomedical waste. The full form of BMW in hospital context is biomedical waste. The symbol of biohazard was developed by option A, OSHA USA. Option B, CDC USA. Option C, WHO. Option D, EPA. The correct answer is option B, CDC USA. Biohazard symbol was designed by CDC in 1966. Biomedical waste symbol was designed by CDC in 1966. Biomedical waste handling staff must be immunized against option A, hepatitis B and tetanus. Option B, malaria and dengue. Option C, typhoid and cholera. Option D, tuberculosis. The correct answer is option A, hepatitis B and tetanus. Vaccination protects waste handlers from shops related diseases. Vaccination protects waste handlers from shop related diseases. Infectious biomedical waste should be transported in vehicles marked with option A, hospital name only. Option B, biohazard symbol. Option C, red triangle. Option D, radiation symbol. The correct answer is option B, biohazard symbol. Transport vehicles must display biohazard symbol clearly. Transport vehicles must display biohazard symbol clearly. The biomedical waste management rules mandate pre-treatment of lab and microbiology waste by option A, autoclaving or microwave. Option B, incineration. Option D, deep burial. Option D, chemical neutralization. The correct answer is option A, autoclaving or microwave. Lab waste should be sterilized before transport or disposal. Lab waste should be sterilized before transport or disposal. Sharps disposal container must be option A, transparent. Option B, cardboard box. Option C, puncture proof, leak proof and tamper proof. Option D, plastic bag. The correct answer is option C, puncture proof, leak proof, and tamper proof. Safety containers prevent sharp injuries. Maximum time gap for biomedical waste collection from hospital units. Option A 4 hours, option B 6 hours, option C 8 hours, option D 12 hours. The correct answer is option B 6 hours. Waste should be collected at least every 6 to 8 hours from units. Waste should be collected at least every 6 to 8 hours from units. The Biomedical Waste Management Committee in a hospital should meet. Option A monthly, option B every 3 months, option C every 6 months, option D annually. The correct answer is option B every 3 months. Committees should meet quarterly to review biomedical waste management. Biomedical Waste Management Committee in a hospital should meet every 3 months. The safe disposal of liquid chemical waste is done by option A flushing into drains without treatment, option B neutralization or chemical treatment, option C incineration, option D deep burial. The correct answer is option B neutralization or chemical treatment. Chemical waste should be treated before disposal in drains. The first step in biomedical waste process is option A storage, option B collection, option C segregation, option D transportation. The correct answer is option C segregation. The first step in biomedical waste process is segregation. Segregation at source is the first and most important step in biomedical waste management process. Biomedical waste bags must be option A transparent, option B color coded, bar coded and labeled with biohazard, option C black only, option D without any symbol. The correct answer is option B color coded, bar coded and labeled with biohazard. Color coding and labeling are mandatory as per rules. Biomedical waste bags must be color coded, bar coded and labeled with biohazard. The yellow bag in biomedical waste doesn't contain option A solid cotton, option B human anatomical waste, option C cytotoxic drugs, option D plastic IV sets. The correct answer is option D plastic IV sets. Plastics go in red bag, not yellow. Plastic go in red bag, not in yellow. Which organization prepared guidelines for biomedical waste management in India? Option A WHO, option B ICMR, option C Ministry of Environment and Forest, option D AIMS. The correct answer is option C Ministry of Environment and Forest. Ministry of Environment and Forest framed biomedical waste rules under Environment Protection Act. Safe injection practices are part of option A biomedical waste management, option B hospital infection control, option C both A and B, option D none. The correct answer is option C both A and B. Injection safety prevents infections and ensures safe waste disposal. Safe injection practices are part of biomedical waste management and hospital infection control. Minimum depth of pit for deep burial of biomedical waste should be? Option A 1 meter, option B 2 meters, option C 3 meters, option D 4 meters. The correct answer is option B 2 meters. Deep burial pits must be at least 2 meters deep and covered with lime. The plastic bag used in biomedical waste disposal should have thickness of at least option A 40 microns, option B 50 microns, option C 60 microns, option D 70 microns. The correct answer is option C 60 microns. As per plastic waste rules, bag must be more than 60 microns thick. As per plastic waste rules, bag must be more than 60 microns thick. Highly infectious waste bags are marked with option A red tape, option B blue strip, option C biohazard label, option C black triangle. The correct answer is option C biohazard label. All infectious waste must carry biohazard symbol. Highly infectious waste bags are marked with option C biohazard label. Biomedical waste training for staff should be conducted. Option A once at joining only. Option B annually. Option C every 6 months. Option D daily. The correct answer is option B annually. Refresher training should be given yearly. Biomedical waste training for staff should be conducted annually. Refresher training should be given yearly. Biomedical waste storage areas inside hospital should be located. Option A next to kitchen. Option B away from patient care areas. Option C inside wards. Option D near pharmacy. The correct answer is option B away from patient care areas. Storage must be isolated to prevent contamination. Biomedical waste storage areas inside hospitals should be located away from patient care areas. Which committee is responsible for hospital biomedical waste supervision? Option A Infection Control Committee. Option B Hospital Waste Management Committee. Option C Ethics Committee. Option D Audit Committee. The correct answer is option B Hospital Waste Management Committee. Every hospital should have a waste management committee. Every hospital should have a waste management committee. The temperature required for autoclaving infectious biomedical waste is option A 100 degrees Celsius, option B 121 degrees Celsius for 30 to 60 minutes, option C 150 degrees Celsius, option D 200 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option B 121 degrees Celsius. Autoclaving at this condition ensures sterilization. Temperature required for autoclaving infectious biomedical waste is option B 121 degree Celsius. Yellow bag biomedical waste is finally disposed of by option A autoclaving, option B incineration or deep burial, option C studying, option D chemical disinfection only. The correct answer is option B incineration or deep burial. Yellow waste is incinerated or deeply in permitted areas. Yellow waste is incinerated or deeply buried in permitted areas. Waste handlers must wear option A gloves only, option B complete PPE, glove, mask, apron, boots, option C no protective wear, option C caps only. The correct answer is option B complete PPE. Full protective gear prevents injuries and infections. Waste handlers must wear complete PPE. Needle stick injury first aid includes option A, wash with antiseptic, option B, wash with soap and running water, option C, suck the wound, option D, do nothing. The correct answer is wash with soap and running water. Do not use antiseptics. Washing with soap and water is recommended. Needle stick injury first aid includes wash with soap and running water. The biomedical waste annual report is submitted to option A, State Pollution Control Board, option B, Ministry of Health, option C, District Magistrate, option D, WHO. The correct answer is option A, State Pollution Control Board. Occupiers must submit annual biomedical report to State Pollution Control Board. Common biomedical waste treatment facility is designed to option A, collect and treat biomedical waste from multiple hospitals. Option B, treat waste of one hospital only. Option C, store waste for 7 days. Option D, transport only. The correct answer is option A, collect and treat biomedical waste from multiple hospitals. CBWTFS reduce cost and improve compliance. The incinerator chimney height should be at least option A 20 meters, option B 30 meters, option C 50 meters, option D 100 meters. The correct answer is option B 30 meters. Adequate chimney height disperses gases safely. The incinerator chimney height should be at least 30 meters. Which biomedical waste treatment method reduces waste value the most? Option A autoclaving, option B incineration, option C chemical disinfection, option D microwave. The correct answer is option B incineration. Incineration reduces waste to 5 to 10% of original value. Incineration reduces waste to 5 to 10% of original value. Biomedical waste rules recommended deep burial only in towns with a population less than. The correct answer is option B 5 lakh. Deep burial is allowed in rural areas and towns less than 5 lakh population. Biomedical waste rules recommended deep burial only in towns with a population less than 5 lakh. Cytotoxic waste bags should be labeled with option A skull and crossbones symbol, option B biohazard symbol, option C radiation symbol, option D death triangle. The correct answer is option A skull and crossbones symbol. Cytotoxic drugs carry cytotoxic hazard with the skull and crossbones. Cytotoxic waste bags should be labeled with the skull and crossbones symbol. In biomedical waste rules, occupier excludes option A government hospital, option B charitable hospital, option C household clinic generating less than 5 patient waste per day, option D private hospital. The correct answer is option C household clinics generating less than 5 patients waste per day. Small clinics with very low waste are sometimes exemption. Small clinics with very biomedical waste handling staff should undergo health checkup Option A, every 6 months. Option B, annually. Option C, every 2 years. Option D, once only. The correct answer is option B, annually. Annually, health check ensures safety of waste handlers. Biomedical waste handling staff should undergo health checkup annually. Which is the safest method of disposal of shark? Option A, autoclaving and shredding. Option B, deep burial. Option C, throwing in black bag. Option D, open burning. The correct answer is option A, autoclaving and shredding. Sharps are disinfected, shredded, and sent for recycling. Autoclaving and shredding is the safest method of disposal of sharps. The waste generated in the operation theater after surgery includes option A, yellow bag waste, option B, red bag waste, option C, white shops waste, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. OT generates multiple categories of waste simultaneously. The waste generated in operation theater after surgery includes all of the above. Who is responsible for biomedical waste management in a hospital? Option A, waste handler. Option B, hospital administrator, occupier. Option C, government inspector. Option D, nurse in charge only. The correct answer is option B, hospital administrator, occupier. Occupier has legal responsibility for biomedical waste management. Hospital administrator, occupier, responsible for biomedical waste management in a hospital. Plastics from biomedical waste are usually treated by option A, recycling after disinfection. Option B, burial. Option C, incineration. Option D, open burning. The correct answer is option A, recycling after disinfection. Disinfected plastics can be recycled safely. Plastics from biomedical waste are usually treated by recycling after disinfection. The ultimate goal of biomedical waste management is option A, reduce hospital expenses. Option B, protect environment and prevent infection. Option C, provide jobs to waste handlers. Option D, reduce number of patients. The correct answer is option B, protect environment and prevent infections. Biomedical waste management aims at infection control and environmental safety. Biomedical waste management aims at infection control and environmental safety. Thank you all.